Welcome back to another video. So today's video is a collab I'm taking part in. This collab is hosted by Just Your Nail Addict, and it is kind of a pet collaboration, just introducing you to our pets. There's a playlist. I will leave the playlist pinned in my comments. Some of the ladies are just on Instagram, some of them have done videos. It'll be all be in the description box, and the playlist will be pinned in my comments. So I've got 3 dogs. The 2 boys belong to my partner, and the girl belongs to me. So my dog is Sky. I'll quickly show you a picture of Sky. She is my absolute world. So that is Sky. She is a stunner. So the other 2 dogs we've got is actually her dad and her brother. We lost her mum not last Christmas, Christmas before. So yeah, there's 3 of them here, dad, son and daughter. So what I'm going to do throughout the video is I'm just going to put pictures up and little bits of writing under the pictures, so I can also tell you what I'm doing on the nails as well. So I've base coated these tips, and I'm using Madam Glam Perfect Pink. That's going to go on the middle nail. And then the pointer finger and ring finger are going to be white. Madam Glam Perfect White. You can get 30% off Madam Glam products using my code unpolished30. And the outer 2 nails, I'm going to do a bit of a nail bed. So I'm going to do the tip in pink, and I'm going to do the nail bed in a nude colour that I got off Amazon that I absolutely love, actually. So for these kind of French tip nails, I'm using my French tip brush, and I use this brush just to mark out so I can get both sides the same. I'm sorry I didn't lock my screen, so it's trying to zoom in and out a bit of focus. Yeah, I just used that brush to mark out where I want my French tip to be. And now I'm using the Madam Glam fine liner, and I'm just gonna tidy it up and fill in the free edge using the brush out the bottle. Right, so that is both of those outer nails done. So that's what would be the pointer and the thumb, pinky and thumb. So this Tips Luna, this came in a pack of 2, and you get this beautiful nude, and it comes with a beautiful nude pink as well. I love it. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my palette, and I'm just going to paint that nail bed on both nails and stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. So that's all my base colours down. Aren't they pretty? I love those colours together. So I've got this stamping plate. This is from Maniology. Absolutely perfect plate. So I'm going to use this image. It says, "Don't bully my breed." It is a pit bull. She's a Staffordshire Bull Terrier, but, you know, she's still a bully breed. And I'm going to do some little paws and bones and stuff. So, because this is a brand new plate, I've never used it, I've just took the blue film off. Always give it a wipe over with acetone before you use it. So I'm using Madam Glam. No, it's not Madam Glam at all. It's She Modern Sticky Stamping Polish. So I'm just going to stamp that one image. I've kept it slow in real time so you can see exactly how I'm doing it. This stamping polish is amazing from She Modern. It really is. So I'm just using a lint roller to get rid of the extra bits that I don't want. And I'm going to stamp that onto the pink nail I've left the tacky layer on this nail, on all of them, just to help these images stick a bit better. So that's going to go slap bang in the middle of that pink nail. And on the French tip nails, I am going to stamp some little paws and bones. So I will let you watch for a few minutes and then I'll be back. Right guys, so I'm just going to give these two white nails a matte top coat. I want all these nails to be matte actually. And I want to paint, Sky has got a pink leather harness. And I want to paint her harness on these nails. So I'm going to use a couple of these gold, I think you call them jump rings, don't you? And I'm just going to use regular nail glue and stick them on to these white nails. And I'm going to use the pink gel polish just to kind of do the straps. I just wanted it to kind of resemble Sky's harness. So they've been stuck on with nail glue. I'm just going to use the pink gel polish now and do the straps. So kind of two at the top that go over her shoulder. And then there's one down the middle at the bottom that goes under her chest. I'm only showing you one layer, but I do actually do 3 layers because I wanted to build it up quite thick and make it look like it was going around the jump ring kind of thing, if that makes sense. So what I'm quickly doing is I'm just going over these with a glossy top coat because obviously I want the nail to stay matte, but I wanted the harness to be glossy, shiny. So yeah, I'm just giving them a quick top coat and then I'll cure that for 30 seconds. So on these free edge French tips, I'm just going to outline the nail bed, a little thin white line, and I'm going to sprinkle some glitter into this before I cure. Ouch! I'm just going to sprinkle some glitter into the wet gel paint. So I'm going to get these finished now. I've pulled out some little triangle studs and caviar beads. I'm just going to put these little triangle studs on the harness and some caviar beads. I'm going to put some gems on as well. So I'm just going to use crystal clear gems, but I'm going to use one black gem on each nail because Sky, she's actually pure white, but she's got one little black spot on the bottom of her back. So this one black gem just kind of represents her black spot on her back. They're going to get a 30-second cure and that'll be then finished. There we go, guys. That's them finished. I absolutely love them. I wish to God I'd done them on my own nails. I love the little black gem that represents her black spot on her back. Yeah, I love them. Right, guys, that is it for today. Lots of people have took part in this pet collab. That's Jackson, Dad. I'm so sorry. Normally that would get edited out, but as it's a pet collab, I might as well leave it in. Yeah, lots of people have took part. There'll be a playlist for people that have done YouTube videos. There'll be a list of people that have posted on Instagram. Please go and check all the other ladies out. There's some fantastic pets, some beautiful pets, and some beautiful sets of nails as well. Massive thanks to Just Your Nail Addict for hosting the collab. I've really enjoyed it. It just gives us a chance to introduce our pets. But yeah, that's it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.